This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to animate multiple elements at once in Google Slides. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. And by the way, what I'm about to show you works the same in a Chromebook, Mac OS, or Windows PC. I just recommend that you use Google Chrome browser when you're working with any Google apps. So here is a slide that I have. You can see I have about 8 different elements here. And what I want to happen for this particular slide is these last two bullets here to appear later than the rest. So when people watch this slide, they'll see these 6 first, and then I'll press the button or my clicker, and then these final 2 will come on. This is how you do it. What you need to do is you need to select multiple items at once. You can do that using your keyboard. So for instance, I could select this one first, and then using either the control key and my mouse or the command key and my mouse, depending on which operating system you have, you can select a second one. But what I'm going to do actually, it's a little bit easier, is just use the drag. So I'm dragging the mouse down to the right, and you can see it selected these 2 bullets plus the backgrounds and little icons next to it. Once you've selected items on the page on Google Slides, on a particular slide, you'll see the animate option pops up. So click that button on the toolbar, and you can see that there's a whole bunch of different options for fading in, fading out. And actually, let's see what it looks like right now when I do that. All right, so I'm playing the slide. You can see that the first 5 bullets just appear as soon as I load up the slide. And then when I press the clicker or the arrow key on the keyboard, the remaining 3 will show up. And maybe what I want to do is I want to, let's say that I don't want the certain parts of it to appear. So what I might do is trash that one and trash that one, and then make edits there. You can also change the type of animation. Right now it's set to fade. If I wanted to, I could just do like fly out to bottom or zoom in or whatever. So there's all kinds of effects that you can use. So the trick really is, when you're selecting them, just to make sure that you select more than one at the same time, and then you can apply the animations that you like. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It also covers Google Slides. Thank you so much for watching.